One, myself Sudhir, my teammates are Saravana Parveshwaran, Hari Vignesh, and type project title is Information Mining Model for Profit. In our proposed system, farmer reaches the experts on that location. The experts on that location using SVM and AV-based algorithm. Experts suggest the farmers crops which has high cultivation and with good market price. We have four modules: administration enforcement, monitor and maintain the crop, online computers, agri auction portal, fertilizer express system. In our project, we are using two tools. One is NetBeans IDE and another one is MySQL browser. If you first open the NetBeans IDE and see the projects are listed there. Our project is Agri Farmer. You need to click on double click on it, and you need to run it. After double click on it, you need to run it. There is a run button and click on it and select Run Project Agri Farmer. After selecting the button, the project is loaded. It takes few minutes to complete. See that the project is loading. Once the project was loaded successfully, it opens our web page. See, this is our web page. This is the URL of our web page, and see there is the home page and experts, admin, user, agent, about, and contact are the buttons we are giving. If you are an expert, you straight go click on expert, and you need to register if you are a new user, and you click on user. Users registration and expert is just similar, and admins registration form is here, and this is agent registration. And if you are already a registered person, you will directly go to login and select username and give enter your password and select user type. You are admin or a user or expert or agent like that. I don't want to waste my time on registration, so I directly go to login and I need to enter username and password, and to select a user type there are admin, user, expert, agent, and here I am going to click a user. Once I selected user, the authorized username and password, so I'm going to MySQL query browser and select agree. That's our project, and run on it. It shows as we need to double click on it and go to user details. Here we have advice detail, biddings, crop details, expert queries, expert details, fertilizer details, user details. Now going to, now I'm clicking user details, and now you see here user details, and I'll run on it. Here we found person's names, contacts, email ID, username and password. Yeah, we get it. We get username and we get password. Username is Shiva and password is Shiva. So now I am going to type username as Shiva SHIVA and password name as SHIVA Shiva, and click on submit button. It's loading. You are successfully login. I think it's okay. Now here see, this is the location of the user. It automatically fetches the location from the user. Now this is the Perumbul. This is the exact location, current location of the user, and you see them query from the experts. You may send the queries to the experts. And here we have view and analysis phase. Here we have the all the, it is an update product. A farmer updates their products in the websites, and they are simply log out by clicking log out button. And if you again log in as an expert, you need to type authorized username of the expert and their passwords. And if you select user type as expert, go to the browser and to fetch the expert details, and so click on run button, and you find the all information about the experts. Here you are having username and password of the user. I am selecting expert as Sudhir. Type username as Sudhir and password as SUDHE or Sudhir. select user type as AI expert and clicking submit button. Successfully login. Okay. Here you see location, add location basis. Here expert adds sheets based on their location and weather, everything, and they update the product. After updating products, it will be shown to farmer. And here is the query, view query. Here farmer added queries are displayed here, and the seed details also updated by the express, and they are also log out by clicking logout button. Here you having an admin. Here admin is responsible to monitor the experts and users. That's all about our project. Thank you.